Hi guys, it's Code here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna unbox Play-Doh Kitchen Creations ice cream. So, we are gonna open the ice cream creation kit. Here are the stuff inside the Play-Doh kit. Chocolate syrup, my favorite, and strawberry syrup. Now let's put the lid on. Guys, it's not Play-Doh, but it's super liquidy. So, and this is the same thing too, and it doesn't even have a smell. Nope. So we have 2 sundae cups and 3 ice cream sundae cones. We have green, blue, pink, green, blue. So we have extruders for ice cream sprinkles. There's the ice cream maker and the ice cream base. Let's put it together, guys. Almost dropped it, guys. I'm a bit clumsy, just so you know. We got it. As you can see, guys, there's a molder on the side and even in the base. It comes with 6 cans of Play-Doh. We have white, blue, pink, yellow, green, and orange. It comes with 2 spoons, instructions, and ice cream recipes. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's make our first ice cream. So we're gonna make strawberry cream Play-Doh ice cream. First, you need pink. You gotta stretch it out long first. And you need white. The same stretch as this one. White! Okay. Now you put this in here. And now you squeeze it. So I'm gonna put on some toppings. Ooh, I know what you're gonna make. A gummy bear. So let's put another topping, this time an orange. A nut, I think. I got the nut. I put it in the very top. There you go. The very top. Guys, the fun part is we're gonna put the syrup. 3, 2, 1. I just made a strawberry cream ice cream. So creamy. Now we're gonna make classic vanilla ice cream. Ooh, that's a huge ball. Now we're going to add in the sprinkles. Now we're gonna put this on the top. Maybe right here, dancing gummy bear. Oh, nope. It doesn't want to sit there. Well, I'm gonna force it to sit there. Sit down. There you go. And the fun part is, put the chocolates. It will freeze just like this one, guys. So, 3, 2, 1. Guys, the vanilla ice cream we just made, it's so delicious. Would you care for a bite? Next, we're going to make bubblegum ice cream. We're gonna put in some toppings, guys. Guys, we just put in our bubblegum ice cream. Almost my favorite one. Poop, pink poop, and yellow worm. And I'm gonna put 2 toppings. This was for the pink poop, and this is for the yellow worm. You will like this, guys. Even though it looks so gross, but you will love it. Oh gosh. Guys, we just made a bubblegum ice cream with poop and the yellow worm. And too sweet. It's too sweet. Nobody can eat it. You mind for a bite? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.